Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. As we were discussing in our last video, that factory model schools and ILM schools, what differentiates the two? And we went through a list of some of the differences, some of the major areas that stand out. And the first and foremost among that list, and we'll be going through this entire list in the series of videos, so that we can get a better, deep understanding of where our issues actually lie. And the first and foremost of these issues was that factory schools completely ignore the relationship of the child with his creator, his Rabb, his master, his cherisher, nourisher, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Whereas an ILM school is based on this very relation. That's the very central and the axis on which the entire program revolves. You see, childhood education is a journey of discovery, where a child discovers about himself and the world around him. But this childhood discovery is not limited to just the physical world. There's also a spiritual world. So you can learn all you want about the physical world, but if you're not aware of the metaphysical and the spiritual world, then your entire efforts are misguided. And especially if the creator is taken out of the equation, if there is absolutely no learning of who created me, how did I come to this world, if this is absent, then the entire exercise is misguided. And that discovery is not only incomplete, it actually leads to negative people populating the earth. When I say negative people, people who bring negativity to others and to the rest of the world. So when the central idea is to have that relationship with your Lord, your master, your creator, your sustainer, then everything falls into its place. Because what it revolves around is, what does my creator want from me? He has created this entire world around me. This world is full of people. It's full of animals. It's full of plants and mountains and rivers and oceans and clouds and rain and deserts. What is this world and what does it require of me? What does my Lord, my creator, require of me? That how do I function in this world? What are the rights of people upon me? What are my responsibilities towards these other people? And not only these people, towards these other creation, towards animals, towards plants. They have their rights and we have our responsibilities. So this recognition of rights and responsibilities is impossible without recognition of the creator. And when a person is unaware of the rights and responsibilities due towards the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then they become means of corruption, mischief, and misery for the rest of the creation. They're unaware of where to stop, where the limits are. There's this hedonistic approach to fulfillment of desires, just base and carnal desires, and that's it. Towards greed towards resources, towards power, towards money. And this is where your problems arise. And an educated person is one who is the most beneficial towards humanity, most beneficial towards the creation. The more a person is beneficial towards the creation, the more educated he or she is. And the more they are a detriment towards the well-being of the creation, the more uneducated and ignorant they are. And at the source of this, at the heart of this lies the relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that needs to be inculcated, that needs to be developed. The child discovers their Lord and Creator. The child develops a relation with their Lord and Creator. It is a very natural progression. Their heart is full of love and adoration and the magnanimity and the nobility of their Lord. So let's make a commitment collectively that we will foster and inculcate such an educational environment in every school, in every institution, where the child discovers their Lord, their Creator, and based on this discovery, lives a life of fulfillment of rights and responsibilities, and brings benefit and positivity and goodness to every single being that exists all around him. Thank you.